Ever heard of SnapChade and wondered if it's actually legit or just another random website on the internet? In today's quick review, we're breaking down what SnapChade is, how it works, and whether it's safe to use. SnapChade appears to be a small online tool related to Snapchat features or utilities, but unlike major platforms, it's still relatively new and doesn't have a huge user base yet. Because of that, many people are curious if they should trust it or avoid it completely. According to website safety analysis, SnapChade currently has a moderate to good trust rating and a valid SSL certificate, which means the connection between the user and the website is encrypted and generally safe. However, reports also show that the site has very low traffic and limited public reviews, which usually happens with newly created or niche tools. Some evaluations also mention that the website uses embedded content from other sources, which can sometimes raise caution flags depending on how it's implemented. Basically, it may be safe, but it's still not widely tested by a large community yet. So what's the final verdict? SnapChade doesn't currently show strong signs of being a scam, but because it's still new and lacks many user reviews, it's always smart to stay cautious before sharing personal information or logging in with accounts. If you plan to try it, make sure you use secure browsing habits and double-check permissions first. And if you want more honest tech reviews like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video.